Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the class. Yesterday we did with the skeletal muscle, that is the voluntary muscles, those which are in our action, जिसमें हम अपना क्षमता जो हमारे हड्डियों से जुड़ा है, अगर इसको एक साधारण वाक्य में बोले तो जो हमारे हड्डियों से जुड़ा है, जिसके एक्शन पे हमारा कमांड है, दैट इज वॉलेंट्री मसल्स. We did with the many types, sarcolemma cells, myofibril cells, many of the things. आज हम उनका अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे. We will see for the ultra structure of these cells. So let's see what's the structure. You will draw with me only for your practice. One band is dark band and other is the light band. We did yesterday ना. कल हम लोग सीधे से बनाए थे, आज हम लोग उसका अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे, कैसा वो एक्चुअली दिखता है. ऑल्टरनेट देखिए हम बना रहे हैं, आप भी सेम वैसा ही बनाएंगे. एक दोनों बैंड एक दूसरे के ऑल्टरनेट. इसको थोड़ा बड़ा बनाएंगे, मिडिल लाइन है. ड्रॉ कीजिए आप मेरे साथ ही. यू विल ड्रॉ विथ मी ओनली. वी विल हैव द सेम स्ट्रक्चर, सेम लाइन. नाउ ऑन द मिडिल वी आर बाइफरकेटिंग द हाफ लाइन्स. ठीक है. दिस लाइन इज नोन एज द एच जोन. कहाँ से कहाँ के बीच का है? एक से दूसरे के बीच का. पहले मुझे बनाने दीजिए फिर. नाउ अगेन वी विल हैव द सेम बैंड्स टुगेदर. Clear students? We will make a zone again. सेम होगा लेकिन सावधानी बरतनी होगी स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाने में, because bio exists only and lies only with the help of diagram. We can explain everything with the help of our diagrams. So it must be total clear. Okay, done. Same we will repeat back again that side. Alternate. कैसे था हमारा? इन सब के बीच में डार्क बैंड बनेगा. ठीक है. अब हम कैसे बनाएंगे? इनके ऊपर डार्क बैंड्स बनाएंगे. मेरा टेढ़ा हो जा रहा है, आप लोग थोड़ा स्ट्रेट बनाएंगे. यूज द रूलर इफ रिक्वायर्ड. Now we have to label it out. These dark bands total from this area's dark band here. This is half till here. This is half till here. Okay. One more band lining is there. Now this zone is known as I band. This zone is known as A band. Okay. Between these there is one white line sector that is known as H zone. Get it written, students? H zone. The topmost, this mediated line, half of the dark line, is known as M line, mediator line. M line it is. Now, what these two strands is known as? This is known as the sarcomere. These two. These two lines, students, are known as sarcomere. This is M line. These two lines. This is known as sarcomere cells. Okay. What are these dark lines? These are myosin filaments. These are myosin filaments. This is known as Z disc. Z disc. This two area is the sarcomere area. Sarcomere. Sarcomere area. What these white lines are? These are actin filaments. Actin filaments. These are actin filaments. M line we did, Z disc we did, actin we did, myosin filaments. White bands are actin filaments, whereas the dark bands are myosin filaments. Clear? Let's write the figure. This is structure of sarcomere, showing the structure of sarcomere. Showing actin and myosin. Showing actin and myosin filaments. Get it drawn, students, for 1 minute. This is sarcomere cells. Okay, back again I am saying dark bands are myosin filaments. These are bifurcated with a longitudinal Z disc named as. White bands are alternating each other, known as actin filaments. This is segregated into two half parts, that is I band and A band. The two white line segmentation is done with the half mediator line, that is H zone. Together they form the total structure of it. Get it drawn for a second. Then we will discuss the myosin filaments. This is M line. Don't get confused. Okay, children. It is here only. Let's see what the structure is. Each myofibril is composed of serially repeated sarcomeres. Serially repeated. These all are repeated times. These patterns are lying one after another. By the Z disc. What is the name of these longitudinal lines? That is Z disc. Each sarcomere is formed of two types of myofilaments. That is myosin and sarcomere cells are divided into two parts. That is myosin and actin. Myosin and actin. The structure is known as myosin and actin. What these myosin microfilaments consist of? These consist of thick primary filaments having the dark patches. अगर इसको recognize करना है, you have to recognize, we have to go for the dark patches. Dark patches are known as the myosin filaments formed by the protein. These both are the proteins. Why we need the active growth proposition for the part? Because protein is the only which builds up the body. So it needs protein. They are about 1.6 micromu long and these are 15 nanomu in diameter. These are bifurcated by a mediocre line known as the M line. Now, actin filaments. The actin filaments are secondary myofilaments. Why it is secondary? Because these are having many complementary cells attached to it. But actin is not having these much. Actin is having the primary sections only. They are formed by proteins actin, tropomyosin and troponin. They are located in I bands. So, myosins are located where? Sorry, actin fibers are located in the I bands. These I bands are showing the segregation. In the diagram you can show very easily the segmented part, the segregated part, what they all are doing. Have you drawn the diagram? Everything is understood? Now, these can easily be seen by the I band and the A band. What we are getting in I band, that is the actin filaments. These one which are in the actin formation. These are known as the actin filaments. Now, the length of this is 1 micrometer mu long, and these are separated by H zone. See, both line between the M line, they are having the parting disc known as the H zone, and this is only known as the A band. So, this is the structure, and what they do, they go for the hemoglobin and magnesium ion for their development for the structure of protein. So, today only the structure of this. Students, get it done for tomorrow. Thank you.